Angels Light Tarot. Thank you for stopping by for your monthly general message for May 2021. So without further ado, let's get right into your message. Now remember, this is not a love reading, no. However, if love does come up, we will be sure to discuss it. Angels and guides, positive energy for lovely Sag. Angels, yes. Thank you. Looking for some positive energy. High vibrations for Sagittarius for the month of May. Come on, angels. What's going on? Whoa. What's going on with Sag? Angels, high vibrations, positive energy, please, for lovely Sag for the month of May. All right, we're almost done. One more deck. Yes, just one more deck. Angels, we're looking for positive energy, please, for Sagittarius for the month of, yes, for the month of May. Let's continue to shuffle, shall we? Angels, high vibrations, thank you. And let's go ahead and tidy up and we will get right into your message. All right, so major theme for the month is the Hangman, yes, with the King of Clubs, the Release, 6 of Diamonds, and the 9 of Clubs. So I feel like, Sag, you have been waiting and sacrificing because you have to do the right thing. With the King of Clubs, you felt like this is the right thing to do for your family, for your house, for your love. But in May, you're going to release it. You're going to let it go. And you're going to continue to let it go because you're done. You're done waiting and you're done sacrificing, Sag. You're like, you're done. That's the major theme. Now, this could be for a parent, a child, a roommate, a loved one, a romantic partner. Whatever it is you've been waiting for, you're done waiting, okay? Now, when we look at your recent past, we have the 8 of Cups with the 3 of Hearts, boundaries, the King of Spades, and the 4 of Hearts. So in the recent past, I feel like emotionally, you kind of turned your back on, I want to say, this looks like a third-party situation. And this third party could be a romantic party, or it could be you, your brother and a cousin, or you, your mom and your dad, or you, your partner and their child from another relationship or something of that nature. But emotionally, you were like, okay, done. You set your boundaries with that and you meant it with the King of Spades. And that brought you a lot of security in your heart. Like, okay, I said this is the way it's going to be for now on. And that's that, okay? And it made you feel good. Now, in the middle of the month, we have the 10 of Wands with the Jack of Hearts, kindness, the 6 of Hearts, and the Queen of Diamonds. So I feel like in the middle of the month, I see you doing something, and it seems as though whatever it is that you are doing, it feels like it's just laborious. It's just work after work after work. Here's that sacrifice again. Because you're just too darn kind. Yes, you are. You've always been that way. I feel like you've always been that aunt that buys everything for all your nieces and like you're just a giver. You're just the giver. And this giving is really becoming a lot of work. Okay. All right. Now, when we look at the end of the month, we have the Star card reversed with the 10 of Diamonds, prosperity, the 2 of Hearts, and the 3 of Diamonds. So by the end of the month with the Star card, it feels like your wishes emotionally are not being met, but financially you are taken care of. Prosperity is around you, but when it comes to your love bonds, whether they are romantic or whether they're with family members, I feel like there is a little bit of worry, but your finances are on point. Now, when we look at your bonus, you have the 6 of Wands reversed with the 9 of Pentacles reversed, the Ace of Swords, the 6 of Spades, stealth, Ten of Spades and the Joker. So, this seems like a theme here. You're everyone's cheerleader, but I don't feel like you are like, nobody's, singing me praises. Nobody's singing me praises. I do a lot. I give a lot. Ace of Swords. But I feel like because of that, you're going to start thinking new. And I feel like this newness, like I'm just feeling like you're turning over a new leaf. This is going to happen really quickly. So much so that it's going to shock people. With the Ten of Spades, will this be a lot of work turning over this new leaf? Yes, it will. With the Joker, it remains to be seen what happens with this new leaf, but I feel like it's going to be successful. So the theme of the month is you're tired of sacrificing. You're tired of giving unconditionally. You're tired of being, it's almost like you're the rock, you're everyone's foundation, and you're done with it. The theme is you're done with it. In the middle of the month, I see you doing it again. You're doing it again, okay? Now, your bonus is telling me that because your needs are not getting met, it's like you're doing for everyone else, and who's doing for you, right? And I feel like you're going to make a change. You're going to start doing things differently. You're going to do it so quick. It's going to make people, you're going to give people whiplash, okay? How quickly you're going to change. And this is going to bring a lot of success in your life because you're giving so much energy away to other people that it's like, you're going to start giving that energy to yourself, and that means you're going to be more successful because now you have more time and more energy for you, for your wants, needs, and desires. You're going to fill them because I feel like in some regards, maybe you've been doing for other people thinking that they will do something in return for you. Maybe they will fulfill your needs. Maybe they will fulfill your desires, but they're not. You're just giving. It's like you're this well that keeps giving and giving and giving, and no one's replenishing that well. So when you stop giving and sacrificing and things of that nature, now you can start replenishing your well. It's going to shock them. It's going to shock them to the core because you've done it so long and so often that they just don't know what hit them. And you just need your needs met. That's all I'm picking up. You need your needs met, and you will, you know what, in the middle of the month, you're like, okay, I'm going to do it again because you're used to it. Old habits are hard to break, but trust me, by the end of the month, you're going to be like, nah, I need to take care of me. Okay. So I send you joy, namaste, and much, much love sent your way.